Then I got married, and I thought, now I am free. I thought marriage is freedom, but it's not so. It is another, man is not free, he's always in chains. So, my my father-in-law said, no portraits, because it's haram in Islam. I had to stop. So this is my experience. I stopped totally. I did not offend. I did not refuse. I didn't go to the Mushaira. I was in Abdullah College and Parveen Shakir was with me. Shahida Hassan was with me. Parveen Shakir used to come to my place. Shahida Hassan is my colleague. And both of them used to go to Mushairas in front of me. But I was okay. Parveen used to just say, why don't you join us? Why don't you come? I said, no, not at the cost of my family. My priority is my family. So you have to set up your priorities. You have talent and it will be with you till your death. It will not go away because it is given by your God. So it will not go away. So remember this, if you are creative, you will never lose it till the end of your life. But time demands, look at the demand of the time. What if I had said, no, I want to be famous, I am going to write, Nusrat said, I write a good poetry. So I could have been famous, but not at the cost of my family. I would not have raised my children so well. I would not have been proud of my family today. Although they are proud or not, I don't care. But I am proud of them. I am proud of my whole family. That is the fact. So develop those things in yourself. Okay, become an epitome of beauty in yourself. That is the graciousness. That is the achievement in life. So as soon as I got retired, I got extension. 2006 is the year of my retirement. I got extension for 2 years, and I was appointed as a professor in Premier College for boys. I thought, let's go and teach with boys. Let's see what is the difference between women college and boys college. I had a very good experience. For 2 years I was there. But after that, people called me, Comics College. Every college wanted me to join because I had a vast experience of teaching, but I refused. No, this is the time I want to build up my passion. Do what I want. I am free now. My kids are married. They are settled. Now I am going to paint. But then I got the idea that I am not going to paint portraits anymore. I will come to natural scenes. I will paint other things. So now I am painting, though I feel very difficulty. This book is my painting. That book, this is my latest book, and I have painted the title page. So I have 5 books to my credit. First, this one. Second, Khamosh Dastak. Third, Sepia Mohabbat Ki. Fourth, Makan La Makan. And fifth is Agahi Ki Manzil Par. Now, 6th book is nearing publication, and that is the translation of Maulana Room's poems. So that means you can accomplish, time will, God will give you time enough to accomplish your, whatever is inside you, your passion. Don't spoil the life for your passion that cannot be taken out, okay? That becomes a hindrance in the family. So first family, children, then your passion. It will stay with you, and today I am recognized as a poet, as a painter, as a teacher.
First your children, then passion, and then your husband.
No. Look, there is a joke. There is a joke about my husband. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है, मैं जवाब दे सकती हूँ आपको। मेरी 5 किताबें हैं, मैंने अभी आपको बताया। तो पहली किताब मेरे वालिद के नाम है, ये वाली सुभान, और बेनज़ीर की तरह मैं रज़िया सुभान कहलाती हूँ अपने आप को। दैट इज़ मर्ज़िया। अच्छा, फिर दूसरी किताब मेरे बच्चों के नाम थी, खामोश दस्तक। तीसरी किताब मेरे नवासियों के नाम थी। फिर चौथी किताब मज़ीद नवासी जो हो रहे हैं, पांचवी किताब भी यही। तो जब मेरी यहाँ तीसरी किताब की लॉन्चिंग हुई, सरशार हैं सिद्दीकी साहब थे, उस डॉक्टर मोइन कुरैशी थे। तो सरशार साहब ने मुझसे पूछा, रज़िया ये बताओ सारी किताबों में वो हैं, बच्चे हैं, नवासियाँ हैं, तो शौहर कहाँ हैं? मैंने कहा वो शायरी में है। शायरी जब पढ़ेंगे तो शौहर ही नज़र आएंगे। तो it is because of him that I am writing. Someone has to inspire. So teacher inspires a student. Any more question, please? And the last C, write down that also. The sixth C, which yes, that is the most effective C. That's why I kept it at last. C is for caring and love.
Wow.
And love is the eternal emotion. पहचानते हैं लोग मोहब्बत के नाम से, क्या है जो घर पे नाम की तख्ती नहीं लगी। किसी भी नाम से मुझको पुकारा, मोहब्बत की ज़बान तो आलमी है। तो मोहब्बत की ज़बान आलमी है, यूनिवर्सल है। आप मोहब्बत कीजिए, मोहब्बत मिलेगी आप। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? थैंक यू सो मच जी। Yeah, totally. I learned everything myself, cooking, painting, writing. No teacher. I am a teacher of myself. That's why I commit mistakes and I'm ready to take advices like Nusrat Ali's. not to offend you, but तो ये है मेरी।
हकीकत ये है कि अल्लाह ताला आपको सेहत खुशी के साथ बर्दाश्त करे, रिच एक्सपीरियंस। और मैं आप लोगों से कहूँगा, प्लीज आस्क गुड क्वेश्चंस। दिस इज द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी। वी हैव स्टिल 5 minutes.
Yes, Seema, you can remove that mask from you. You are vaccinated.
May I ask something?
Yeah.
What difference you have seen at your time when you were teaching and now you are teaching, seeing the teachers in current era? So what the big difference?
The big difference, yeah. The corona has spoiled everything, so we cannot talk about that. But besides that, the thing which, I felt bad is teachers are not committed nowadays. They are earning a lot. They are more than enough money-minded. Everything has become commercial. So that's why I insist on being committed. Commitment is the must. You must, unless and until you are honest with yourself, you cannot be
एक सी का एग्जांपल दिया, कमिटमेंट का सी का एग्जांपल
जी,
another C.
So I have one question.
yeah.
In some part of the world, they believe that education should be in the public sector. It should not be commercialized. But unfortunately, in our country now, education is commercialized. In Germany, they still believe that it's the responsibility of the state to provide education. But in the capitalist world, like arts, it's commercialized, and so.
The main thing that we are facing today is we are not having any conceptual study. We are just delivering lectures, giving them notes, asking them to pass in the exams. That is not education. Education means to learn, to something, to think. Mind is not a vessel that has to be filled. It doesn't need filling. Mind is a wood that needs igniting. You have to burn yourself to get ideas. Unless and until you understand this, you will not be able to get knowledge, give knowledge, or be educated. जैसे उर्दू में कहते हैं कि तालीम ने आपका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा। तो बाज़ तालीम याफ्ता लोग जाहिल होते हैं, तो उनको कहा जाता है कि तालीम ने आपका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा, आप वैसे कि वैसे हैं। तो आजकल तालीम ऐसी है कि तालीम ने
What is the role of education system here? Because
System-
there is a the local system, there is a Cambridge system, so entirely.
Yeah, mixed khichdi, mixed plate.
Yeah.
People are fond of mixed cholas, mixed plate. So our country is fond of mixed plates. There is no purity, there is no transparency, there is no impartiality. Everyone is making his own business. Everyone is ganging his own gate. So in this you cannot help.
But some people believe in diversity, that there should be diversity in education also, one type of system, then one other type of system. All systems should compete with each other. There should not be one single
Uniform system, yeah. It's up to them.
I guess at a basic level you cannot have.
Yeah. But
Yes, that is welcome at a much higher
higher level.
But at the basic level is where we are confused.
Basic level is so confusing. We don't know what is Islamic teaching, what is Urdu teaching, what is English. We are so totally confused. We don't know what to do. और एक मेरा शेर है कि ये कहाँ ज़रूरी है, हर चिराग हो रोशन. ये कहाँ ज़रूरी है, हर चिराग हो रोशन. एक दिए का जलना भी मौत है अंधेरे की.
क्या थे? सुभान अल्लाह।
अगर आप अपने हिस्से की शमा जलाएं, अपने हिस्से का काम करें, तो यकीन मानिए एक वक्त आएगा कम से कम आपके घर में सुकून हो.
असल में इसमें मैं अगर वैसे आपकी इजाज़त हो तो ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जब सिस्टम्स की बात हो रही है और तमाम चीज़ें, इसमें जो सबसे अहम नुकता जो हम भूल जाते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द एंड प्रोडक्ट वी वांट. यानी सिस्टम कुछ भी हो,
हाँ,
भाई आपका हासिल क्या है, इससे जो निकल के बच्चा आएगा या स्टूडेंट यहाँ से पास होकर जाएगा, उसको आप क्या देखना चाहते हैं, वो क्या बन के निकला है. जैसे हमारा PSC से नज़ारा है तो हमारे ये फोकस होना चाहिए कि भाई इसको अंग्रेजी बोलने लिखने आनी चाहिए जब यहाँ से बाहर जाए. अब चाहे ये टीचर चाहे आधी रात को पढ़ाए, चाहे ये अमेरिकन सिस्टम में इख्तियार करें, ब्रिटिश करें, ऑक्सफोर्ड की किताबें लगा लें, या उर्दू में अंग्रेजी पढ़ाए, या बच्चों को छत पे बिठा के पढ़ाए. आई थिंक दिस इज इमटेरियल.
इमेटीरियल.
अगर वो
बस वही
हाँ,
बात, वही कमिटमेंट की है ना.
commitment.
कमिटमेंट की बात है. देखिए ना,
रिजल्ट भी want.
यस, कमिटमेंट एंड पैशन. पैशन,
सही है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और एजुकेशन का मफहूम समझें कि कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलप होना है, कंटेंट. फॉर्म नहीं, फॉर्म पे जोर देते हैं.
आपने सही फरमाया. फॉर्म इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट.
फॉर्म इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट.
इट इज द रिजल्ट.
आपका सेंटेंस गलत है, आप गूगल पे जाके सही कर लें. मगर इफ़ यू कैन नॉट थिंक, हाउ कैन यू राइट? तो हमारे बच्चे को हमें देखना है. हमने बच्चों को पढ़ाया, ट्यूशन नहीं पढ़ाया सब, मगर ये देखा कि दे आर गेनिंग समथिंग, दे हैव नॉलेज, दे कैन राइट. आज के बच्चे को देखिए, मास्टर्स होते हैं, दे कैन नॉट राइट एन एप्लीकेशन, दे कैन नॉट राइट इवन, दे कैन नॉट इवन इन उर्दू. अब तो जब से उर्दू ये रोमन आई है और भूल गए. यस प्लीज, यस.
There was a presentation given a number of years ago by
Yes.
Are you continuing, sir?
No, you continue.
I'm sorry. There was a presentation on education given a number of years ago by Rahat Kazmi at the time when he served briefly as the Vice Chancellor of Punjab University.
Okay.
And he said that the problem of situation that what we are facing right now in Pakistan is we are giving more importance to secondary level and tertiary level education. The foundation is missing.
Yeah.
उन्होंने ये कहा था कि जब आप ये देखें कि from grade 1 to grade 5, if we solidify the foundation of a person's education, 5वीं जमात तक तो बच्चे की education मुकम्मल हो चुकी होती है. It only develops from that point on.
Yes. 5वीं जमात तक तो शख्सियत में बन जाती है, नफ्सियात बन जाती है बच्चे की. Whatever you want to teach within those 5 years.
No, but our government is not concentrating on early childhood education.
तो हमारी गवर्नमेंट में एजुकेटेड लोग हैं कहाँ? मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन देख लीजिए. तो
Suggestion that I keep thinking about and I talk to a lot of people. Based on the education of our masses, it would be so good and so important, I feel, that mosque level pe the imam, other than having religious education, should also have holistic education. And so when he gives out whatever to whoever, because we do go to mosques.
Yeah.
And whatever we bring back, today the young person is very disillusioned. So why don't we concentrate on talking about this?
Yeah.
That you
That's
just
a
can't
good.
become an imam. You should have some base before you can come to that level.
You know,
Because it's a very big position.
if you are teaching morality, that's just like teaching the Quran.
Bilkul.
Religion, because religion is based on morality. If you know how to behave in society, how to interact with each other, you don't have to read or go to the mosque and listen to the Maulvi. You can do it by yourself. If you are,
So it's not just a
जी जी बिल्कुल.
how you portray.
यहाँ तो ये याद रखिए कि बुतखाना तोड़ दीजिए, काबे को ढाइए, दिल को न तोड़िए, ये खुदा का मकाम है.
सुभान अल्लाह, क्या बात है?
दिल को न तोड़िए, तो दिल और हमारे यहाँ दिल ही तोड़ रहे हैं सब.
सोना रब दिला में रहता हूँ।
Is it? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you ever so much. This was a well-spent evening, wasn't it? Literature, poetry, and English language rolled into one. Absolutely, absolutely. We would like to thank Professor Qureshi for giving us a slice of her precious time, all right, and sharing your wonderful experience with us. It was such a pleasure to listen to you, and I don't think we were able to get the best out of you in just an hour. We need a lot more time and a lot more evenings with you. We would love that. I'd like to thank everyone who is here for coming today. I know we took away your Saturday. And so Mrs. Shah is always doing that. But Saturday was the only day today that we actually had, were able to accommodate everyone. And I'd like to thank everyone. Nusrat Saab, thank you very much for being here. And your daughters, it was a pleasure meeting you all. Of course, all of our faculty who were here, and we've got some non-PACC, are you all teachers too? All those attending, yes? So that's wonderful, thank you so much. I'd like to thank specially our boys and our staff of ELP and the staff outside, because without them nothing is possible. Absolutely nil. I mean, I just got the chairs arranged. Beyond that, I felt like, oh my God, now what do I do? They haven't arrived yet. How do I get this going? But thank you ever so much. That's Salik, that's Subhan, there's Mala, there's Jawad, there's Javed, there's Tahir. Entire team has been there. Thank you so much. And I would like to call Nusrat Saab up, and aap aiyega please, Professor Sahiba. We have a
ये ऐसा करते हैं बेटे वो पहले चलिए आप पहले
This is my.
okay. Oh wow. And it's silent. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
आप तस्वीर कशी गाड़ी ठीक है